All right, well, I have another Magnavox ZV457 here. This one may have incurred a small amount of shipping damage. I don't know if we can work around it. I'll have to get inside and see if there's anything physically wrong with it, any broken boards or whatnot. But yeah, unfortunately, this does happen from time to time. Looks like it got dropped on that corner and the whole front slid over to the right a little bit, and even the top right here began to buckle just a little bit. But anyhow, let's go ahead and get into it, see what it looks like. That button's loose, the record button's been knocked over, so hopefully we can save it. Well, we'll find out. Okay, so looking on the inside here, one of the levers, I don't know if it's a channel button or what, but it's been broken off. Let's see, that one's bent just a little bit. Could probably straighten that out with not much of a hassle. Everything over here looks pretty good now. The DVD door is broken off of the unit, and I'll show you that here real quick. But let's look at down here. This is the display, and you can see that some of the pins, I don't think it'll focus on them. No, not going to focus on that. But anyhow, some of the pins over here on the left are physically missing. I don't know if I can maybe zoom in. There you go. Yeah, some of the pins, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, maybe 5 pins. And the rest of them have all been shoved over. So, yeah. Not good. Let's get you zoom back out here. And the operators, the little plastic buttons that push these switches right here, have been broken off as well. So over here you can see that one is broken, and then that one has it. And that's, I think, the channel up and down. This lever in the VCR right here has been bent. That's what operates the open and close for the door. The VCR door had popped off of the front panel. The DVD door that says DVD recorder. One of the swivel hinges has broken off of it from behind. That might be able to be glued or welded back into place. Just goes on like that. Found the spring that goes on that door, and then here's the little operators for the 2 switches that were broken. Front panel's got a little bit of damage. You can see there's a crack in it right there. And a couple of the buttons have been pushed back. I pushed them back in place. They seem to be working okay. At least none of them have come out. I think we could probably straighten those up, worst case. And then, as you saw in the first part of the video when I was doing the overview, yeah, it's been dropped pretty bad. Now, the box didn't look too terribly bad when I got it open. So yeah, this is the box you shipped it in, and I don't really see any. Well, I do see that corner right there has been kind of crunched just a little bit. That one also, it's not too bad. That side looks pretty good, but yeah, looking like this is probably the culprit. They dropped it on that corner right there. Anyhow, all the packing and everything is good. I didn't unpack the remote. There's a piece of plastic down in here that broke off too. So anyhow, yeah, I just wanted to shoot you this video and show you what happened when I finally got your box open. So just want to say sorry that it arrived this way, but go ahead and let me know what you want to do with it, and we'll move forward from there.